Ready to unlock the full potential of your Garmin GPS for your next adventure? Let's dive into how to add maps using Garmin Basecamp. First, open up Garmin Basecamp on your computer now. If you have maps on a DVD or SD card, make sure they're inserted into your computer or card reader. Click on the File menu located in the top left corner of the Basecamp window. In the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Install Maps. Click on that. A new window will pop up displaying the available map sources. This includes maps on connected devices, DVDs, or files on your computer. Select the map source you want to install. Basecamp will scan the source for compatible map files. Once the map is selected, click Install. A progress bar will show you the installation process. After the installation is complete, the map will appear in your Basecamp library. You can now view and manage it. To transfer the map to your Garmin device, connect your device to your computer. Right-click on the map name and select Send to Device. And that's it. Your Garmin GPS is now equipped with new maps, ready for your next outdoor adventure. Explore confidently and enjoy the journey.